It's so bright, strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like.
Here's how to create a glowing outline effect. Download InShot on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Import your video into the InShot app. Tap Filter. Select AI Effect. Choose the current effect. You can choose any color you want for the outline. Tap on the arrow and select Clip End to extend the effect. Tap PIP. Go to Materials and tap Atmosphere. Select this outline material and tap Autofill. Next, tap Duplicate. And here's the final result. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.